Hi friends, I'm going to show you some healthy, satisfying snack options. So when choosing your snack, just make sure that you include some protein because that's going to make you feel full and satisfied. So the first one is just cheese and crackers. For the crackers, 8 of them is considered a portion. And this is the brand that I'm using. It's just Kellogg's Townhouse Flatbread Crisps. And the cheese, I just use what I had in the refrigerator, which is 1 slice of provolone cheese. So the total is 170 calories and 8 grams of protein. The second snack is Quest protein chips. So this is really good because it's 140 calories and 18 grams of protein. Third one is just an apple and peanut butter. So I would slice this and put 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter on the sliced apple. So because this is a large apple, it has some extra calories. So that with the 2 tablespoons of peanut butter would come in at 320 calories and 7 grams of protein. So I hope that helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like more tips like that.